Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to repair sound problem in Toshiba LED TV. Here you can see in this TV the model number is not there. So I have another same TV. Here you can see the model number of this TV 29PU200ZT. This is the model number of this TV. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's start the video. Now I am going to connect the plug and show you the problem. Now I am going to connect audio video cable. Here you can see the picture is there but sound is not there. So now I am going to fix this problem. Let's see. Friends, you have seen the problem. Picture is there, sound is not there. So now we have to find out the solution for this type of problem. I already opened the back cover. Here you can see this is the motherboard of this Toshiba LED TV. This is the sound section. Here you can see, and this is the speaker wire connection. In the first step, we have to check the speakers. Using the multimeter, we have to set it to the continuity mode. Then you have to check the speakers. Friends, here you can see these speakers are good. Right side speaker is also good. So in the first step we checked the speakers. The speakers are in good condition. So now our main focus is on this IC. So this is the sound IC. In most of the time this sound IC will go to protection mode. So to solve this problem, protection mode problem, we have to remove this small resistor to isolate this sound IC and the processor. Wait a minute, I am going to zoom it. Now you can see it clearly. The one end of the resistor is directly connected to the first pin of the IC. You can check it from the continuity mode also. You have to remove. In first step, we have to remove this resistor. After that, here you can see how I bypassed the wire. From this I have taken the 3.3 volt. Then I jumped it to the first pin of the sound IC. By doing this type of modification, we can remove the sound IC protection. Here you can see it clearly how I connected from this IC. Then I removed the resistor also. You can observe in that. By doing this process, we can repair this type of sound problems in our TVs. So now let's check the result. Now I am going to connect the plug.
ನನ್ನ ಫೋನಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಿಡಲೇಬಾರದು. ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಹಪ್ಪಳ, ಉದ್ದಿನ ಹಪ್ಪಳ, ಚಕ್ಲಿ, ವೆರೈಟಿ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಇನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕು.
Friends, now you can see the result. Now the sound problem is fixed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.